everybody, this is Cher, and I just got a small shipment in from my supplier the other day, so I wanted to try out some of my new oils. A couple of things I got were yarrow, which will be great for skin problems, skin inflammation, relaxation. So I'm definitely going to try that one in my next long bath. But two things I got to try to help really ease tense, tight muscles, achy pains, maybe help people with arthritis, rheumatism, or just, you know, when you get the achy muscles because it's raining or you have PMS. So I made a really small amount, 1 ounce of this blend, because two of the oils I'm using, the new one is turmeric and also arnica. You're not meant to use for a long time, like daily, because you could build up toxins in your system, but it's great for if you just have to take care of like an achy time once in a while. So I just made 1 ounce. So another thing I bought, which was amazingly inexpensive, castor oil. I got 8 ounces for $2.23 from my supplier. Now I bought this because I read a lot about how it helps inflammation in muscles, and it could help tight muscle spasms. And that's also why I got the turmeric. Now, if you look on the internet, I think they give you bad advice. It said to put 2 to 3 drops in like a teaspoon or a tablespoon or something. I think that's too much, especially if it's the first time you tried it, because it's a spice similar to cinnamon, clove, ginger, and could burn your skin. Also, because of the toxicity buildup, I didn't want to put too much in. So I poured 1 ounce of castor oil into a glass bottle with a dropper top. This is a 2-ounce bottle, so I filled it up halfway. I generally use 10 drops of essential oil for every ounce of product I make. So I did 2 drops of turmeric, 2 drops of the arnica, which really has no smell at all, but it's really meant to help with pain. But it's also not to be used like in a daily way, so you just use it for those times when your muscles are really tight and achy. Then I wanted to put some anti-inflammatory. The turmeric is anti-inflammatory, but I want to put some gentle anti-inflammatory in there. So I did 5 drops of true lavender, which is very gentle on the skin and also has good anti-inflammatory properties, and 1 drop of blue chamomile, just because this is really good for the skin and can help skin inflammation, and it's so gentle. So I just wanted to put a gentle oil in there with, you know, a stronger one like turmeric. And I rubbed it pretty much like all over, since I did it in, you know, I diluted it very well. So what I did is I started, and I kept sort of adding a little more all day yesterday. So I started with my shoulders, and you just need a really small amount. My trapezius is always very tight, so I just rubbed it into those muscles. And, you know, I keep doing it maybe around the arms. And then my legs tend to get tight, the sides here, so, you know, I just sort of, you know, rub it into the sides of my legs as well. I'll do the other side off camera. And I also put a couple of drops like on my feet and rub that in, because, you know, the feet really take a lot of abuse during the day, and sometimes you don't think about those little muscles in and around your ankles, and it really helps to relax those, I think, because the whole body works together. So that's the lesson today. So if you'd like to try this recipe, it's really easy, and all these oils are fairly inexpensive. I mean, the German chamomile is a little pricey, but we only used 1 drop of that. And you don't necessarily need it if you try it at home. Just add an extra drop of the lavender. And so yeah, I hope this saves you from a lot of pain. And as always, have a great day. Peace.